So, how does it feel to win, son?
Don't know. Oh, yeah, like an old lady hitting me in the face with a wet fish!
Honey, I think there's a few things you don't understand about being a winner.
Like what?
Like...
A winner never quits. Ah! A winner stares fear in the face.
Oh man. All right, that's it. I'm not doing this anymore.
What does a winner do when life gives him lemons?
Make lemonade?
No.
He squeezes them right back into life's eyes.
Really? All right.
Dude, when was the last time you slept?
Don't even ask, man. Mom had me up at 4 in the morning teaching me how to be a winner for that stupid French chart!
Stupid? What's stupid about reaching for the stars? Dodgeball! Boom, 1 point. Boom, 2 points. Boom, 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 boom.
And he kept throwing the ball over and over, over. And I have no idea what got into him.
You know, there's nothing wrong with a little competitive spirit, honey. Success is like a journey full of hardship. You need to learn there's no gain without a little pain, which is why I've driven you here.
The desert?
Yes? You're walking home.
No, don't you dare leave me! She'll be back.
Hey! Whatever, young man. Keep it.
Where's Elmore?
About 10 miles that way.
What the?
Jeez.
What went on here?
It all happened so fast. First of all, Darwin got angry because he thought he deserved a sunny cloud for winning some dodgeball game.
Yeah, I remember that.
And then Anais flipped out because Mom won't share top spot on the chart.
What? Anais too?
And when Mom put your face on the sun, I trashed the house.
I got a son. Wait a minute, you trashed the house?
Darn right! And I'll do it again if she doesn't give me a star for my cheese crayon!
Not bad.
Feels good to win, doesn't it?
No it doesn't! Your chart is ruining this family. They're all behaving like animals. I mean, hello? We were all happy before. Do you even realize what you're doing to us?
That's right. Use your anger. Because you're gonna need it for our little family outing tomorrow.
Why? What's happening tomorrow?
Okay, people, first one to capture the flag wins. You get hit, you're out.
Oh, this is great. Paintball with crazy people. I'll be in the car.
What have I got to do to get you to show a little competitive spirit?
Okay, I'll play. But only if you tear down that stupid chart.
Oh, I'll tear down that chart. If you win.
All right, you're on. But please, everyone, this is a family outing, so let's play fair and try to have a little fun, okay? Great. Dad?
Please, take off the mask. Oh, thank you. Smells like other people's faces.
What happened?
I didn't even see her.
See who, Dad?
Your mom.